Hello guys, in the last videos we have seen transfer statements like break statement and continue statement, and almost all total language fundamentals part is completed. Now in this video, now we are going to see some examples on patterns. Some interviewers are asking some questions there, then they will write some pattern and they will ask to us try to implement code for this particular pattern. Like that, some patterns are available. What are the various patterns and for which what exactly the Java code we have to write, and which patterns are asked by interviewers in outside. So that questions here we are going to understand clearly now. As part of these patterns examples, just I want to go for the pattern now. Right sir, what about this pattern here I am providing there? Write Java code to display the following pattern. Right sir, this is a question. Now I will display that pattern first of all. Right sir, what is that pattern here? First of all here I want to take which one there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's okay. Now right sir, the same thing 10 times I have to repeat. Same thing, that means 10 rows and 10 columns. Means that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. One more time. Right sir, now this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That means it is almost all equal to which one there? 10 by 10 array. 10 by 10 array, that means 10 rows and 10 columns. This pattern here we want to display as a first one here. Right sir, we are going to check some example, that means coding part for this here. So first of all here what we have to think there, 10 rows we have to represent, at each and every row 10 columns we have to represent. To represent row by row, one for loop I want to take. To represent column by column at each and every row I have to take which one? Another for loop. That means row by row first we have to represent, inside this row by row we have to represent which one? Column by column. So at each and every row we have to represent column by column here. So we need to take nested loop. First of all, for rows representation point of view, we are going to take which one? One outer loop. At each and every row, we need to take which one? Again, one column. That means column by column we have to represent. For the purpose, we need to take which one there? Nested for loop here we are going to take. So two for loops here we are going to take to achieve this particular syntax, to achieve this particular pattern. Now let me start my coding part here clearly. Now first of all here what I will do there? For int I is equal to 1 semicolon. Why I am taking 1 here? Right, that count I want to maintain from 1 to 10, not from 0 to 9. 1 to 10 here I want to maintain. That's why here I have taken int I is equal to 1. I less than or equal to 10. That means 10 rows. That means 10 rows I want to provide. That's why I have taken I less than or equal to 10. Next one is which one there? I plus plus. Now this is outer loop. This outer loop is representing which one? Row by row, row by row, row by row. That means simply here if I display and system.out.println of system.out.println of, just if I display this star now, automatically here we are able to get which one here? No, 10 stars here we are able to display there. 10 stars here we are able to display. Same thing here we required which one here? No, number of things here. Like this I am telling there. Or else might be. Just I want to remove this. It is not required now. So this is my requirement is which one? This outer loop is like representing which one? Row by row, row by row, row by row, like this. But at each and every row I need to display which one there? No, 10. That means 10 column values here I need to display. Further purpose here I am going to take which one? For int j is equal to which one here? 1 semicolon. Again j less than or equal to 10 semicolon and j plus plus. For int j is equal to 1 semicolon, j less than or equal to 10 semicolon, j plus plus. Now here this nested loop is representing which one here? No, column value by column value at a single row. At a single row column value, column by value in the sense we need to display all the column values in a side by side. But rows we have to display in one after another. But side by side in the sense print method we have to use, one after another in the sense println method we have to use then. System.out.print method is able to display the values in side by side. System.out.println method is able to display the values in row by row like this. Here we are able to get it now. Now observe this clearly. For now inside this here we have to provide system.out.print of just directly I want to display which one? Star. System.out.print of star here we are going to display now. whenever we are displaying sys.out print of star, then what next one can know? Whenever we see, now if we execute one time, this total for loop, nested for loop, no, one row of values are going to be displayed. When we display one row of values here directly, then after that, here, after displaying the 10 stars in a row, I want to bring my cursor to the next line. So here I will go for which one? Then no, sys.out println statement. When we use sys.out println statement, automatically cursor will come to which one? Then no, next statement directly. No, right, sir. Now just understand this clearly. Now I want to run this example. Here we are able to get the same pattern, 10 by 10 in array stars we are going to be represented. Let us execute this program here. As exactly here we are getting output like this here. Whatever the output here we are expecting, the same output here we are getting. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rows are available. At the same time, now here what we are having there, no, 10 columns are also existed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same thing is available here. It is almost equal to 10 by 10 matrix where we are displaying which one there, no, 10 rows and 10 columns in place of which one here, no, stars here we represented clearly. This is what exactly the format here we are providing now. In the same example, now if you want to provide any tab space for each and every star, if you want to display some tab space there, then here we are able to provide like which one can know, and the /t, that one also here we are able to provide here. /t. Now observe this clearly, which output here we are getting there now. So observe this clearly. Now, tab space here we are getting there. Output like will be, it will be available like this. That's okay, fine. Now here also 10 rows are available and 10 columns are available here directly. This is what exactly the meaning of which one can know. Then with space here we are able to provide. Not only that, sir. Now I want to display 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 1 to 10 at each and every row. All 10 rows here I want to display. 1 to 10, 1 to 10 like this here I want to display there. Nothing. Just we can display that values also. No? How we are going to display that values? No. In place of star here, directly we can display which one can know, J plus. J value we can display there. J value is rotated from which one there, no, 1 to 10, which one here, 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 1 to 10 like this here we are able to get that values here directly. Now observe this clearly. Here we are able to get values like this here. Every row if you observe there, 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 1 to 10 values we are getting there. Now this is exactly which one here, 1 to 10 and next one is which one, this is which one here, next one. And then after that, here also we are getting which one there, no, 1 to 10 like this here we are getting all these things now. Now let me remove this space here, tab space here I provided, just I want to remove this tab space now. If I remove this tab space, easily we can identify these outputs clearly. Observe carefully that outputs here we are getting like this, 1 to 10, 1 to 10 at each and every row here we are getting directly these values directly. Right, sir? If you provide tab space, it will be okay. If you are not providing tab space also here, we are able to get it. Tab space here if you provide there, automatically here we are getting which one? No, that values directly here we are getting there. That's it. This is what exactly the output here we can understand. Then at each and every row here we are able to display which one can know, 1 to 10, 1 to 10 like this here we are displaying the data. Understand it clearly? No? Okay, now this time here we displayed 1 to 10 values in row side here. But I want to display 1 to 10 values in column side. Columns wise I want to display 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 1 to 10. That means now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 10. Here also 1 to 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 10. Like this at each and every column if you observe there 1 to 10 here I want to get here. That is my requirement. If you want to display at each and every row 1 to 10, 1 to 10, here what we have to display there directly. First of all here we need to display directly which value here now. Like instead of displaying J, if I display this I, what exactly the output here we are able to get now. At each and every column I want to display which one here now, I values here. Now let me check this one. Instead of displaying J's now, I want to display I here. Let me execute this here, what we are getting there. Observe carefully. Understand this clearly now. Now columns wise we are getting 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 1 to 10 like this. Previously we displayed in a horizontal 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 1 to 10. Now we are displaying that 1 to 10, 1 to 10 columns wise here. That means at the first row ones we are getting there. At the second row twos we are getting. One third row threes we are getting. Like this here we are getting that values like this here. Understand it clearly now. So this is what exactly the pattern here we are getting to display our values directly. In the same example, I want to display A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J like this. In row by row like this I want to display the same thing. Means that what I want to display there. Now in place of this here what I want to display there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Like this I want to display now. Same thing, same sequence here I want to provide like which one can know in the next rows can know. Same thing here, I am going to provide same thing, right sir. Now up to how many times can know? 10 times can. Same sequence, that means A B C D F G H I J, like this I want to display 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like this type of pattern here I want to display there. Already we have seen how to display the stars. Next one is which one there, 1 2 3 4 and like this. No, now this time I want to display which one here, A B C D. That means in rows wise A B C D E F G H I J up to this 10 letters I want to display row by row like this. Now if it is the case in the same, that means here what we have to do, if you want to display capital A, then 65 is which one there, no, ASCII value. So now here what I will do now, here from this point onwards, now I want to go for 60, I will take bracket here, 64 plus J value I want to take, means that starts with 64, that means 64 plus J in the sense starts with 65. It's okay, that 65 must be, it is an ASCII value, that must be converted to which one then, no, character. So I need to perform which one, typecasting. Which type of typecasting here I need to perform, char typecasting here I need to perform. That means char. That means what happened there now, if J value is 1 here, for example, then 65 is an ASCII value, that will be converted to character. Now capital A will be displayed. If J value is 2 here, that means 64 plus 2, that means which one here, 66, then that will be converted to character, that means capital V will be displayed here directly. Between character here I want to have which one there, no, this is a slash T here we are able to provide, that means space here we are providing directly. Now let us check this one in the rows wise, A B C D E F G H I J, second row A B C D E F G H I J, that means same this type of output here we are able to get overall if I run this example. Now let me execute this program here. Now here we are getting the same type of output. Now here I provided tab space here, that's why here we are getting output like this here directly. It's okay sir, good. If we are removing this tab space here, if we remove this tab space now on a single attempt here we are able to get some values now. Now let us check this here, this type of output here we are getting directly. Okay, then if you want to provide only single space, just for clarity point of view, provide this single space now, here we are able to get the same type of output like this, that's it. So A B C D E F G H I J, like this here we are getting there, that's fine. In the same example here what I want to there, now rows wise we displayed A B C D E F G H, but now in the next example I want to display A B C D E F G H I J, in the columns wise I want to display. In the columns wise A B C D E F G H I J, A B C D E F G H I J, A B C D E F G H I J, columns wise I want to display the same point. If you want to display the columns wise here, then what we have to do there, simple, very simple, in place of J here we have to provide which one, I. That's fine. In place of J here we have to provide which one, I. Same meaning is available. I is representing which one, there no columns can. That means here what will happen there, A 10 times, next one is which one, B 10 times, and C 10 times, and D 10 times, like this here we are able to get automatically columns wise what we are able to get, A to J columns wise here we are able to get. Now let us check this clearly. If we run this example, here we are able to get columns wise that output here we are getting there, A B C D E F G H I J, A B C D E F G H I J, like this columns wise here we are getting outputs like this. This is what exactly the pattern content here we can understand.